What's good, guys? Welcome to the Traders Reality Projections channel, episode 12. Let's have a look at what's going on. So, Ethereum still yet again making more highs. For me, I'm so concerned about this. At what point will the market maker decide to make a return for his money? Remember, we understand something. We know that market makers build their shorts at higher prices. At what point will they decide to start pulling out liquidity and start realizing a return? Price staying so close to the 50 EMA, very, very interesting, which means that when it pulls back ever so aggressively. Okay, if we have a look at what happened last week, you can see coming away from the 50 EMA, retrace right back down. It's a cause for concern. Everyone is going crazy on Ethereum right now. Happy days. If you're a holder of Ethereum, you're doing pretty well. We are approaching key notable areas. The 3K mark could be in sight. But I'd be adding caution to caution, because when everyone starts to get relaxed and starts feeling like, oh, okay, there's no stopping Ethereum, people are going to start buying more and more and more. What a perfect time for the market maker to really get everyone committed to a zone, getting everyone to go leverage. All the liquidity is trapped in this area. Happy days for the market maker. Not so happy for the retail trader. What I understand is the market maker could effectively send price even higher up to the high ADR for the day. The 3K mark will be a very interesting point. What I request is that you proceed with caution. Don't buy into the highs. Saying that, look how aggressively she's moving. Taking all my time that I've been studying charts, seeing this sort of behavior, with no consolidation at all. Slow trend is the true trend, but we do need some form of break, and to witness the market maker making some money on his move. He's been giving it out right now. I just don't want people to be caught on the wrong side when they do decide to switch it up. But this move is backed fundamentally. Bitcoin dominance is dropping. Bitcoin, where is Bitcoin right now? Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Oops. Can't spell. Jeez. Bitcoin hasn't really gone anywhere. With all of what's going on with Ethereum, she hasn't moved at all. They're holding Bitcoin. Very important area for Bitcoin right now. It is pretty much make or break for Bitcoin, and we have to be aware of that as well. Bitcoin hit the 800 EMA, pulled straight back. Spiked the high, came straight back. Now, in light of the peak formation, you could say that this is a level 1 consolidation. All right, rise to the upside. Well, we need to see that movement happen. Right now, Ethereum is holding the ground. She's the one that's leading. She's running it across the whole board. Consider XRP. Same story. Hold in the zone. There's nothing stopping this from moving up higher. All right, the base, peak formation, rise level 1, retrace, continuation to the upside. This is what we want to be seeing. These sharp moves to the upside like by Ethereum with no nice consolidation, moving averages flattening out, and then taking direction back to the upside. It is literally a gamble. Proceed with caution, guys. Protect your investments. Make sure that you're aware that right now, these moves to the upside, as much as they look so great, be prepared for the change. Be prepared, because it can happen at a moment's notice. All right? Ethereum is making all-time highs continuously. All right? At what point will we see the retrace? Keep that in mind, guys. All right? I bid you well, and I hope everything's going well. If you are holding Ethereum and you're making money, happy days. My bias to the upside, to the downside, will be based on what the market maker does. This channel has been designed to help you understand something about the marketplace. Do not dismiss any of the concepts discussed in the streams just because price is continuously rising and everyone's jumping on the gravy train. Always, always add caution to caution. Be prepared, because you're operating in the realm of uncertainty, guys. At a moment's notice, it could switch. What better time to catch everyone on the wrong side of the trade? Guys, you take it easy. Peace.